Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to show you how to unbox the brand new model of carbon fiber wheelchair DC09L. I hope you find it simple and easy. Once we open up the top of the carton, we simply just open it up and lay it down this way. That allows us easier to drag out the unit. It's just with one hand, it's simple and easy. As soon as we have the wheelchair out of the carton, please check you have a user's manual pack with safety belts and some simple tools. A charger inside the box here, a controller here, and the seat cushion. As soon as we open up the wheelchair, we simply just set the seat cushion on the top here, and then slide the slot of the controller to this hole here, and then turn the knot to tight. Make sure we have proper connection of both connector here. Make sure the arrow on each connector match well, and then we slide in, turn the knot to tight. One thing is really critical, the wheelchair has manual and electric control switch right on the side of the rear wheel here. Simply just put the lever to the top that you can push the wheelchair by hand. If you want to have an electric control, just put the lever back, turn the lever right under the armrest here, that you can flip up the armrest that allow you to access from the side of the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. Lay the footrest down that you can lay your foot. Press the power button right in the middle of the controller, and then push the joystick to the front, to the back, or to the side, that you can go any direction you want. It's really easy to fold up the wheelchair. Simply just push the button here and then push the seat back to the front a little bit. Both hands, one holds here, one holds on the top of the backrest. We can just fold it up in 3 seconds. It's really simple and easy. We can have two choices of charging the battery. First, we can direct charge by connecting the charging port under the controller here. Now you can plug to every power source for charging. Or you want to charge to everywhere, you want to carry the battery somewhere for auto charge, simply just plug in the charging port here. Then you can bring the battery to everywhere you want to charge. I hope you find a way of setting up the wheelchair is really simple and easy. We have app support that allow you to have a remote control the wheelchair, and also a remote controller allow you to control the wheelchair. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.